There are many mistakes that can occur during the green card lottery application process, and one major mistake that leads many people to miss this opportunity is failing to meet the photo requirements. Hello, welcome to this channel, Ibo Traveller. If you are new here, please subscribe so you can get the notification every time we post a new video. If you are a traveler, you may have heard about the green card lottery, but if not, check out the video here on the top or click the link in the description box to learn step by step on how to correctly fill out and win the green card lottery. So, what are the important requirements to consider when taking a photo for the diversity visa application? For a photo to be accepted for the diversity visa lottery, it must meet specific criteria set by the US Department of State. Disclaimer: the content of this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. I am not an immigration officer, so all information presented is based on my personal research and understanding. So the requirement number one is photo size. To ensure your DV lottery photo is accepted, it must have the size of 600 by 600 pixels. This means that the length and the width of the photo must be equal. This size helps to ensure the photo is clear and acceptable for the DV lottery system. If your photo is smaller or larger than these dimensions, you can use the photo resizing programs such as Photoshop, Paint, or online tools to do so. By following these measurements, you increase your chances of your application being accepted. So let us dive into the requirement number two, which is photo quality. When submitting a photo for the DV lottery, there are quality criteria you must adhere to. First, your photo must be in JPG format, meaning you cannot use other formats like PNG or PDF. Additionally, the file size of the photo must be under 240 kilobytes, and this is crucial as the DV lottery will not accept the larger photos. If your photo is too large, you can use the online tools like TinyJPG or CompressedJPG.com to reduce it without losing the quality of the photo. Be sure to double check the photo size in properties or get info to ensure it meets the requirement. And requirement number three is background of the photo. For your DV lottery photo to be accepted, the background must be white or off-white, and I mean must not too colorful. So if you don't have the white or off-white background, make sure that the background is not colorful. This is very important so that your face is clear and looks good without any distractions. Avoid using brightly colored walls or objects in the background. As I said, you can stand in front of a white wall, something like that, or even use the white paper behind to achieve a good background. This will help to ensure your photo meets the requirement and won't be rejected due to inappropriate background. And the requirement number four, which is face positioning. The applicant's face should be directed straight at the camera, and the eyes should be in straight line toward the camera. The face should not turn sideways or looking down or up, something like that. And the face expression, do not allow it. Be neutral. Do not smile or open your mouth so you can get a clear picture. The requirement number five is face size in the photo. The required size of the face in the photo should be between 50 to 69% of the total image. This means your photo should be visible from the top of your head to the bottom of your chin. The requirement number 6 is avoid as much as you can to wear the accessories and glasses when taking a photo for the DV lottery. Maybe you should not wear any type of glasses, whether regular or sunglasses, so your eye are clear, visible. And also avoid wearing headgears or large accessories that could obstacle any part of your face. If you wear a religious attire, that is acceptable as long as your face is completely visible. This is important to ensure your photo is not rejected by the DV lottery. And the last requirement is clothing and headwear. Generally, do not wear any traditional or uniform clothing. Headwear is only accepted for the religious reasons, but your face must be visible. When taking a photo for the DV lottery, it is important to wear non-traditional or uniform clothing. You should not wear military or work uniform that may imply a specific identity in your photo. And regarding headwear, it is only accepted for the religious reasons, but you must ensure that your face is clearly visible. So by following these criteria, your photo can be suitable for the DV lottery. And make sure that you subscribe into my channel. Please like, comment and share this video. Bye bye till next time.